already on the rise. Major malls are pricing in a bumper festive season, from durables to apparels and electronics to groceries. Are consumers really celebrating this Bachat Ka Mahotsav? Anurag Joshi, my colleague, is here joining us from the Inorbit Mall in Mumbai. Anurag, what is the situation there? Are there as many shoppers as in Delhi?
The Inorbit Mall in Malad in the northern suburbs of Mumbai, this mall opened around 11 a.m. and we had seen a trickle of people walking into the mall, and that footfall has definitely increased. We see more activity, we see more bustle here in the mall, and there are many people, who are aware about the GST cuts, and clearly, we spoke to some of them, and they did, so they are regular shoppers in this mall, and one of the difference they found was that, there was some saving in their bills. Not a lot of saving, but some saving. But this is a momentum. I mean, this is a multiplier effect from the GST rate cuts that the consumers are expected to shop more. It's given them a kind of confidence to go out and look for more deals, shop more. And at the same time, they know that, now the GST rates are cut to 5% and 18%. And it's also the start of the Navratri festival. So it's still afternoon now, but, by evening, we will get a real pulse over here, because the footfalls that have, built up, the momentum that is, the tempo that has risen, this will go up further, and, we'll find more people coming in. And that really will, highlight, it will reveal the real consumption story in India about how it's playing out. And I mean, this mall it's a very clear reflection of, what the consumption story of India is. I mean, it's got garment brand stores, it's got a department store, it's got a food mall, and it's got restaurants, it's got a cinema theater, and it's got a lot of global brands too over here. And we see, like in cafes, you see there is more people, like on a Monday morning, more people coming and sitting in cafes over here. So that, just gives you an idea about how things are.